Hey guys, it's Marley from Kale and Krunches. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I am finally filming for you my most requested video ever. It has nothing to do with Kale. It has nothing to do with Krunches. It is about my hair. So I often get asked, how do I do my hair in my long wave situation? And I know I've promised I would show you guys so many times. I'm finally doing it. It is super easy, super simple. And if I can do it, literally anyone can, because you guys know me in beauty. I have no idea what I'm doing. So this is my hair naturally. I'll show you what it looks like. I washed it yesterday, I think, or 2 days ago. And I always like to do it right after it's been washed. I don't blow dry it. I kind of like let it air dry if I have the time and like the luxury to not have nice hair, which is kind of like every day. But I just like to let it air dry and then I will do it myself. What I'll do is I'm just gonna brush it out first. And then I'll just start by like zhuzhing it. Is that a hair term? I feel like it is. With some dry shampoo. So I'll pick it up and, dry shampoo it. I actually curl my hair with a flat iron, and I got this flat iron on my 25th birthday. So we're not gonna do the math and I'm not gonna tell you how old it is, but it came with these two clips, and Lord only knows how I haven't lost them yet after all these years, but I don't even know what brand it is. Hey, hi, hey. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair into sections. And I actually don't have that much hair. I normally have to do 3 sections only, and like some friends complain like, oh, my hair takes forever to do. I have so much of it. And I'm like, oh, cry me a river. Like I wish my problem was that I had so much hair to deal with, but I don't. Okay, so I'm gonna put it up like this. And then I have this back section there. So that's what I'm working with right now. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try and explain to you what I do. Guys, I'm so like, this is my thing. Okay, so I clamp at the top and then I roll down using both hands. So I roll down, let the iron come through the section all the way down until it has a nice curl. So once that section is done, I don't want to get it tangled and re-curled with the rest of it. So I'm going to take my second clamp and clamp it. So it just looks like that. So the whole thing is clamped and I bring down my next section. Clamping at the top, and then I'm going away from my face on my right side. So twirling it away, 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 away. So every time I'm on the right side, you let it go, it has that curl. Okay, so my sections are nice and small because my hair is thin. Away, 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 away. From the face, twist, twist, twist. And then that curl comes out. It looks like it's my right side, but really it's my left side. So when you're doing your left side, guys, you want to make sure that you're going towards your face. So on your left, you're rotating the iron towards your face. One more. It's hard to do this without here. Once it's out of the clips, I just comb through it a little bit. I bunch it up a little. If it is like super knotty, sometimes I'll just comb through at the bottoms, but you don't want to comb through the entire thing because you could really lose your curl and flatten it out. Okay, so just play with it a little bit. It's supposed to be messy. It's supposed to be light and frilly. And then I have a ton of breakage in my hair just because, a lot of damage and heat to it. So I like to use this Pantene BB cream. Okay, so I just put like a dime-sized drop. That's even a little bit too much. Zhuzh between the hands, and then I'll just go to the ends. Lightly on the top. No one wants that flat, greasy hair look. Just get rid of this, smooth out the flyaways, and then you are good to go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that answers your question on how I style my hair. And like I wish I had other styles to show you, but like this is all I do. So that's all for now. See ya!